Okay, let's take a look at this building. Looking really good. All the paint, garage doors, everything nice and bright and clean. Concrete nice and smooth and clean. No stripes, no burn marks, no etchings. Okay, as clean as it gets. All right, check it out. The awning, everything. The coping way up there. Okay, like I said, all the garage doors, security camera, the lights, the gutters. Okay, call Pro, you already know, 561-907-9541. Look how clean that is. We even clean, okay, the parking spaces in front of your place. We don't leave any of the dirt or debris in your parking spaces. The lines even come clean. Okay, it's all the little details that make your business look really good. Okay, and then all the debris is way over here, 40 feet away from the building. So check it out. Look how clean all that looks. Okay, this is how you want it, nice and clean. 561-907-9541. Get it done right the first time and get the best warranty. Yes, we'll give you a warranty on commercial properties, okay, against mold or mildew, windows, awnings, building, garage doors, coping, make the paint look really brand new. Power washing cannot do that. Power washing just burns it up. Okay, as you can see here, everything's nice and smooth, and you get a warranty on it, and everything looks like $1 million. Okay, that's why you call Pro. 561-907-9541. Under pressure power wash. Get her right the first time, guys. People like clean businesses. If you have a clean storefront, it can get you up to 28% more customers and more sales. So it pays for itself. Call Pro, you already know.